Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss some problems and its solution in a study material. So before starting, first we start Brahmanath. शांति 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 सुस्त. Okay, today we will discuss some problems of study material. Last class we discussed objective type questions. Okay, so but today we will discuss some another problems, that is second number. The first question is page number 18 ro 10 number. Before 10 you will do all are the problem. Prove that sin B by sin A equal to sin of 2A plus B divided by sin A minus 2 into cos of A plus B. Okay, so how can you prove this one? First we take the RHS part, because we always taking in complicated part. So first we take RHS part. Sin of 2A plus B by sin A minus 2 into cos of A plus B. So what we do? First we take the LCM. So this is equal to sin A. Now sin of 2A plus B minus 2 cos A plus B into sin A, and use the trigonometric product formula. This is of the form 2 cos A sin B, and you know 2 cos A sin B equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So this is equal to sin of 2A plus B minus sin A plus B. Here A means A plus B and B is equal to A. So A plus B plus A minus sin of A minus B. A plus B minus A whole by sin A. Then make it simplify. Sin of 2A plus B minus sin here A plus A, this is a 2A plus B, and minus minus plus A minus A cancel. So this is equal to sin B by sin A. So sin 2A plus B, sin 2A plus B cancel. So this is equal to sin B by sin A, and this is equal to LHS part. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Next we do another problem, that is 11 number. We do 11 number. Sin 2A plus sin 5A minus sin A whole by cos 2A plus cos 5A plus cos A equal to tan 2A. So how can you prove this one is equal to tan 2A? First you have to take the LHS part, and which formula we will be adapted. So in that problem naturally we use sin C plus sin D ना नहीं, तो ये हमें sin C plus sin D formula use करिया. देखो पहले sin C plus sin D formula use करिया बोले कौन करिया पड़ियो, माने को सहित को टर्मडा का सहित अटैचमेंट कले जमदी फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कले कॉमन नहीं हम. तो हाउ टू टेक कॉमन बाय which term is attached ना नहीं. अच्छा, so first we take the LHS term, LHS part. Here sin 2a plus sin 5a minus sin a whole by cos 2a plus cos 5a plus cos a. जेहेतु आमको tan 2a प्रूव करिया पड़ियो नहीं कि एडी sin 2a अच्छी, तो here we use the CD formula that is sin c minus sin d. कहीं ये sin c minus sin d फॉर्मूला पकड़ले ये 5a plus a केता आसियो sin c minus sin d means 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. जेमति कि 5a plus a 6a by 2a, 6a by 2 means 3a हो, 5a minus a 4a by 2 means 2a. ये 2a उठा से ये 2a अच्छी 2a टा कॉमन नहीं हो ना नहीं. सो आमे डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला पकड़ ही पारियोनी. आमे सबले ट्राई करथुआ को टर्मडा सहित अटैचमेंट कले जेमति कि फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कला पर कॉमन नहीं हो. टेक इट कॉमन, हाउ टू टेक इट कॉमन. सो फर्स्ट वी थिंक अबाउट दैट मैटर, देन यूज द सीडी फॉर्मूला. तो sin 2a plus sin 5a minus sin a, take it in bracket, whole by cos 2a, here cos 5a plus cos a, take it in bracket. So this is equal to sin 2a, use the formula 2 cos c plus d by 2, this is the 5a plus a by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, तो 5a minus a by 2 whole by cos 2a cos c plus cos d 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So this is equal to sin 2a plus 2 into cos 5a plus a 6a by 2. So this is equal to 3a, and sin 5a minus a 4a by 2. This is the sin 2a whole by cos 2a, here 2 cos 3a into cos 2a. Okay, then sin 2a take it common in numerator. After taking sin 2a, then write the next part, remaining part cos 3a plus 1 whole by, here cos 2a common, so this is equal to 2 cos 3a plus 1, 2 cos 3a plus 1, or you can write also 1 plus 2 cos 3a in numerator and denominator 1 plus 2 cos 3a. तो 2 cos 3a plus 1, 2 cos 3a plus 1 cancel, but sin 2a by cos 2a, so this is equal to tan 2a. So this is equal to tan 2a. So proof is complete. Okay, तेणु आमे सब सीडी फॉर्मूला पकाया पूर्व भाविया पड़ो जे को टर्म सहित कोड़ा नेले जेमती कि फॉर्मूला पकेले कॉमन नहीं हम. तो हाउ टू मेक इट कॉमन, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट ना नहीं. आ जो दीटा टर्म पर तुम सीडी फॉर्मूला पकईदे प्रूव हो पार ना, कहीं आमको प्रमाण करा पड़ो tan 2a. कौन कले 2a टा कॉमन बाहर 2a एंगल 2a जमी आसो, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी डू अनदर प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट 11 नंबर 12 नंबर cot a minus tan a by cot a plus tan a equal to cot 2a. Okay, so how to prove this is equal to cot 2a? First we take LHS part and make it cot or tan LHS. So cot a minus tan a whole by cot a plus tan a. So you have to convert either cot or tan as you wish. Now we convert cot into tan. आम ये कौन करिया कट टाक मु 10 रे कन्वर्ट कर दूची कहीं 10 रो फॉर्मूला हमको इजी रहइबो तो ये मु कौन करी 1/10 है 1/10 है माइनस 10 है होल बाई तो 1/10 है प्लस 10 है सो दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 1 minus 10 square है by 10 है LCM in denominator part is also LCM 10a and this is equal to 1 plus 10 square है तो 10 है को 10 है कैंसिल है तो 1 minus 10 square a by 1 plus 10 square है okay so this is equal to you have to write in this way 1 minus 10 square a okay so this is equal to 1 minus 10 square a sorry this is not cot 2a this is a cos 2a you know 1 minus 10 square a by 1 plus 10 square a this is equal to cos 2a so you get the direct formula this is cos 2a not we prove cot 2a this is a cos 2a so this is equal to RHS next we prove another problem that is the 14 number so any trigonometrical problem can prove by help of trigonometrical formula तो फास्ट तुम्हें फॉर्मूला यूज करिया पड़ियो सेठी को फॉर्मूला एप्रोप्रिएट होची first we think this one then you do that problem okay so next question is a cos 80 degree plus cos 40 degree minus cos 20 degree equal to 0 so how can you prove it is easy you can apply cos c plus cos d okay or you can write in this way also cos 80 means 60 plus 20 cos 40 means 60 minus 20 so cos a plus b plus cos a minus b you know cos a plus b plus cos a minus b means this is the 2 cos a into cos b okay so md color hobo or you can apply the cd formula cos c plus cos d formula पकले भी हे परिबो है so first we take the LHS part then तुम जो फॉर्मूला यूज करी परियो किंतु को फॉर्मूला एप्रोप्रिएट हबो that is important तो cos 80 plus cos 40 minus cos 20 we use the here is the CD formula तो cos c plus cos d is the cos c plus d by 2 80 plus 40 by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 so this is equal to 80 minus 40 by 2 minus cos 20 degree 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 so cos 120 by 2 so this is equal to 60 degree into cos of 80 minus 40 means 40 by 2 is equal to 20 minus cos 20 degree so cos 60 means you know 1 by 2 into cos 20 minus cos 20 degree okay so cos 20 so this is equal to 1 by 2 sorry here the formula is 2 cos so 2 cos a plus b into cos a minus b here 2 is there then 2 into 1 by 2 cancel so cos 20 minus cos 20 degree this is equal to 0 degree okay next we do another problem also that is equal to 15 number तो 8 sin 10 degree into sin 50 degree into sin 70 degree is equal to 1. So how can you prove this one is equal to 1? Okay, first you have to take the LHS part and you arrange in a formula form. तो देखो प्रथम आम LHS पार्ट नेबा कौन कले गोटे फॉर्मूला आसीबो सेटा आमे सब बोले भाबिया पड़ियो वी ट्राई तो हाउ टू मेक into a trigonometrical formula form so what we do then formula payagu paya in order to get a formula what we do in that given problem that is important so here first we take the LHS part 8 into sin 10 degree so sin 50 तो 50 means you have to write 60 minus 10, and 70 means you have to express 60 plus 10, because this is of the form sin A into sin 60 minus A into sin 60 plus A, and you know sin A into sin 60 minus A into sin 60 plus A. What is formula? Sin A into sin 60 minus A into sin 60 plus A. Tell me. That is 1 by 4 sin 3A. Yes. So sin 10 is sin 60 minus 10. Here sin 60 plus 10 degree. So this is equal to 8 into, this is the formula, 1 by 4 sin 3A. 1 by 4 sin 3A. So 3A means 10 degree. So this is equal to 8 by 4 into sin 30. But you know sin 30 is equal to what? 1 by 2. So 8 by 4 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2. So this is equal to 1. So the answer is 1. Okay. Next you do another problem. So another problem, that is equal to, we go to 19 number. 19. Prove that sec theta plus tan theta is equal to tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Dekho. Here, how to prove this one? Here sec theta plus tan theta is there. Okay. So first you have to take the LHS part. It is sec अच्छी tan अच्छी. हमें sec plus tan को हम कौन करिया? We have to convert in sin and cos. तो sec theta plus tan theta को sin cos रे convert करिया. Convert कला परे we apply the trigonometrical formula. Okay. Then cos theta means 1 by, sec theta means 1 by cos theta, and tan theta means this is the sin theta by cos theta. You know, take it LCM cos theta. So this is equal to 1 plus sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta means you know the formula of 1 plus sin theta. This is the cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Because in RHS part the angle is theta by 2. जेहेतु RHS रे theta by 2 स्टाइल अच्छी, आमे आको कौन करिया theta by 2 स्टाइल लिखिया पड़ियो. तो theta by 2 स्टाइल लिखिया गले sin theta रो theta by 2 फॉर्मूला कौन? What is the formula for sin theta in terms of theta by 2? Who can say? You know sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Then 1, we express 1 equal to cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2. Then here you write cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2. Sin theta means 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay. Then cos theta, what is formula for cos theta in term of theta by 2? So this is, it is in the cos sin de convert kala. Aku madhya cos theta ko madhya cos sin de hi lekhiyo. तो cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. ना नहीं cos theta रा में cos तारी फॉर्मूला अच्छी, sin तारी फॉर्मूला अच्छी, tan तारी फॉर्मूला अच्छी, sin cos अच्छी. जेहेतु न्यूमरेटर sin cos रहिला, तेनु डिनोमिनेटर मध्य तमे cos theta रो sin और cos ताइरी बोथ ताइरी फॉर्मूला ना लिखिबो. That is the cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. So here cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. What is the formula? It's, so this one is cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 the square. So cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 the whole square. And here a square minus b square means a plus b cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. आमे एटा थियोरी डिस्कशन कला मु एटा भी आमे करैथिले ना नहीं एमदी कन्वर्ट करथिले. तो cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 के स्क्वायर टा कैंसिल हैला. सो रिमेनिंग पार्ट cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Remaining part write this one. So this is equal to cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 whole by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Then how to make it 10? By dividing cos. तो मैं कौन करियो cos theta by 2 रे डिवाइड करियो. तो डिवाइड cos theta by 2. तो cos थीटा बाय 2 डिवाइड कले ये डिवाइड करियो ये डिवाइड आल्सो तो cos थीटा बाय 2 by cos थीटा बाय 2 दिस इज 1 प्लस ये sin थीटा बाय 2 by cos थीटा बाय 2 sin by cos means tan तो tan थीटा बाय 2 by 1 minus tan theta by 2 and you know 1 plus tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan theta by 2 this is the formula you know 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to tan of pi by 4 plus theta but here in place of theta by 2 is there so we write tan of pi by 4 plus theta means theta by 2 तो मैं theta लिखिया कथा जे theta by 2 अछि माने theta by 2 लिखियो so this is equal to RHS so this is equal to RHS okay or you can write in direct also कहीं मु तुमको आइतला जे 1 plus sin theta रो डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला कोन कहितली cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 रो होल स्क्वायर cos theta रो cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 then make it simplify so next we do another problem next question 20 number sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2 into a minus b equal to 4 sin a into cos b into cos of a minus b but in study material here 4 sin a into cos b that means cos b here 2 times there is a printing mistake so cos b is 1 times that is the 4 sin a into cos b into cos a minus b you correct this study material question so this is equal to cos b into cos b that means this is only one cos b okay so how to prove this one first you take the LHS part sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2 into a minus b how can you do it by using which formula CD formula no so use the sin CD formula sin c plus sin d first आमे दीरा टर्म पाई CD formula पकेवा we use this CD formula sin 2a plus sin 2b this is the 2 sin 2a plus 2b by 2 because sin c plus sin d 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 into cos 2a minus 2b by 2 then here sin 2 into a minus b means you write sin 2 theta so sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta into cos theta so 2 sin a minus b into cos a minus b okay are you understand so I hope that all are understand here 2a plus 2b by 2 means this is the a plus b sin of a plus b into cos of a minus b plus 2 sin a minus b into cos of a minus b okay so here take it common 2 sin a plus b here 2 sin 2 cos a minus b here cos a minus b so this is equal to 2 cos a minus b common here sin a plus b sin a plus b and plus sin a minus b you know this some formula product sin a plus b plus sin a minus b what is formula sin a plus b plus sin a minus b tell me that is a 2 sin a cos b 2 sin a cos b so this is equal to 2 cos a minus b here 2 sin a into cos b so this is equal to 2 into 2 4 sin a into cos b okay into cos of a minus b into cos of a minus b next we do another problem and that is the 22 so 22 number 22 how can you prove this 22 the 22 question cos a plus b plus sin a minus b equal to 2 sin 45 degree plus a into cos 45 degree माइनस बी। तो cos a प्लस बी प्लस साइन a माइनस बी इक्वल टू 2 sin 45 डिग्री प्लस a इंटू cos 45 डिग्री माइनस बी, सॉरी 45 plus b also plus b. So how to prove this one? We take LHS part or RHS part. Okay, which part we have to take? If you take the LHS part, what is its problem? Cos a plus b plus sin a minus b. There is a no formula. Cos a plus b plus sin a minus b means गोटे part cos थियो गोटे sin थियो means तुम ये cos c plus cos d फॉर्मूला अप्लाई पारे कि sin c minus sin d पारे either both are cos रे convert करी हबो or you can convert both are sin. So by using this formula you have to convert either both are cos or both are sin, or you can take RHS part. If you take RHS part, then you apply in a direct formula 2 sin a cos b. You know 2 sin a cos b equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So which one is better, by taking LHS or by taking RHS? जदि LHS नब बोले दीरा को तुम sin रे कन्वर्ट करिया पड़ियो बा दीरा को cos रे कन्वर्ट करिया पड़ियो. जदि RHS पार्ट नब तुम डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला पकेबो. तो which one is better? तो this is the better to taking RHS part. Okay, so RHS 2 sin 45 degree plus a into cos 45 degree plus b. Use the formula 2 sin a cos b. The sin first sin अछि ना, तो sin a plus b 45 degree plus a plus 45 degree plus b, because this one is let it be a and this is the b. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b plus sin a minus b means 45 degree plus a minus 45 degree and minus b. Okay, so this is equal to sin 45 plus 45 90 degree plus a plus b plus sin here 45 degree minus 45 degree cancel, so this is equal to sin of a minus b, and this is the sin 90 plus a. So you know sin 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta, because in first quadrant, sorry, 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive. Here odd multiple of 90 means trigonometrical ratio change. So this is equal to cos of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. So this is equal to LHS. Okay, so LHS is equal to RHS. Next we do another problem also, that is 23. Next we do 23 problem. So this is equal to 23. So cos 120 degree plus a into cos 120 degree minus a plus cos 120 degree plus a into cos a plus cos a into cos 120 degree minus a plus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so definitely here we take the LHS part. So take it LHS part, cos 120 degree plus a into cos 120 degree minus a, नाकि एटा अच्छी एटे cos 120 plus a into cos a plus cos 120 degree minus a. So in the third and fourth term we take the cos a common. तो ये कौन करिया में cos a common नेबा, तो cos a common ले आस्थियो cos 120 degree plus a plus cos 120 degree minus a 120 degree minus a plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So what we do, Here first we take the LHS part. In the LHS part, third and fourth term we take the cos a common. तेणु आम थर्ड आउ फोर्थ टर्म रु आम cos एटा कॉमन नेले तो cos एटा कॉमन ना जो कौन आसिला cos 120 प्लस ए इंटू cos 120 माइनस ए देन यूज द फॉर्मूला cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. You know cos a plus b into cos a minus b. What is the formula? Who can say? This is the cos square a minus sin square b. So cos a plus b into cos a minus b equal to cos square a minus sin square b. Here a means 120 degree, b means a. So cos square a minus sin square b, b means a, plus cos a. Here cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. This is the formula 2 cos a into cos b. Here b is equal to a is equal to 120. Okay, are you understand? Plus 3 by 4, plus 3 by 4. Try to understand. So cos 120 degree, cos 120 means 1 minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 row square minus sin square a plus cos a into 2. Cos 120 means minus 1 by 2 plus cos a, and this is equal to 3 by 4. So this is equal to 1 by 4 minus sin square a. Here 2 cancel, cos a into cos a, this is the minus cos square a plus 3 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 minus sin square a plus cos square a. Sin square a plus cos square is 1, so 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So the 0, this is the right hand side RHS. Next we do another problem also, that is 24. So how can you prove the 24 number? Okay. So here you must try to how to apply the trigonometrical formula in the given formula. So what we do to in order to get a formula? So आम सब चेष्टा करिया जे कौन कले फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करि परिबा आ सेतिरे को फॉर्मूला यूज हेबो, दैट इज इंपोर्टेंट. तुम जो फॉर्मूला पकई करि परियो किंतु को फॉर्मूला एप्रोप्रिएट हबो जोडा कि to it becomes easy to solution. Next 24. तो cos 4a minus cos 4b equal to 8 into cos a minus cos b into cos a plus sin b, cos a plus sin b into cos a minus sin b into cos a sin b, cos a plus sin b. So देखो, तो how to prove this one? By taking LHS or RHS. तो you can take both part, LHS नहीं prove कर पारियो, or by taking RHS also. तो the LHS नंबर cos 4a minus cos 4b. तो cos 4a रा मेरो multiple angle फॉर्मूला पकाया पड़ियो. You know cos a. तो cos a means this is the cos 4a. तो cos 4a means cos 2 into 2a. Okay. तो this is equal to cos 2 into 2a. तो cos 2a this is the 2 cos square a minus 1 नहीं कि एटा को तुम एमदी लिखि पारियो जे cos 2 into 2a. तो यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला cos 2a this is the 2 cos square a minus 1. एटा भी 2 cos square b minus 1 ए फॉर्मूला नहीं पारियो. और बाय टेकिंग RHS नले तुम डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला पकाई हबो ना नहीं. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू cos a minus cos b cos a plus sin b means cos square a minus sin square b using the formula a minus b into a plus b. एडी भी फॉर्मूला पकाई पारियो cos square a minus sin b into cos a plus sin b means cos square a minus sin square b. बा तुम एडी cd फॉर्मूला पकाले भी हबो cos c minus cos d ना नहीं cos c minus cos d फॉर्मूला पकाई भी करि पारियो. So here we take the RHS part. It is easy to prove. So 8 into cos a minus cos b into cos a plus sin b এটা হল cos A minus sin B and this is the cos A plus sin B. Hala, here we use A minus B into A plus B. This is the cos A minus it is cos A minus cos B. Here cos A okay. So this is not sin, this is equal to cos. This is the cos B. Okay. So this one is a cos B. So 8 into cos square A minus cos square B. A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square. Then cos square A minus sin square B. Then the multiple angle formula. Cos square A means 1 plus cos 2A by 2. So this is equal to 8 into 1 plus cos 2A by 2. Cos square B means this is also 1 plus cos 2B by 2. Because cos square theta means 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 and sin square theta means 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. This is the multiple angle formula. Here 1 plus cos 2A by 2 minus it कौन पड़ियो 1 minus cos 2B by 2. Okay, then make it simplify कर दियो. एटा ब्रैकेट अच्छी एटी ब्रैकेट अच्छी हला. अच्छा, so this is equal to 8 into take it LCM 2. तो 1 plus cos 2A minus 1 minus cos 2B minus cos 2B 8 combo. Here also taking LCM 2. 1 plus cos 2A minus 1 plus cos 2B. तो plus cos plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Here also plus 1 and minus 1 cancel. So 8 here 4. Okay, and 2 into 2 4. Acha. So here also taking 2. So 2 into cos 2A minus cos 2B into cos 2A plus cos 2B. Again use the formula which is of the form A minus B into A plus B. So this is A square minus B square. So this is equal to 2 into cos square 2A and minus cos square 2B. Okay. Then you again use the multiple angle formula. This is equal to 2 into cos square 2A means 1 plus cos 4A by 2. Multiple एटी थीटा थिले 2 थीटा हो 2A थिले 4A हो. cos square 2A रे फॉर्मूला कोन 1 plus cos 4A by 2 minus 1 plus cos 4B by 2. एड ब्रैकेट दियो. Then take it LCM. So 2 into LCM 2. Here 1 plus cos 4A minus 1 minus cos 4B. Minus cos 4B. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel it 2 kotla. So this is equal to cos 4A minus cos 4B. Okay. So this is LHS pattern. और तुम LHS पार्ट नहीं भी करता तो cos C minus cos D 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 फिर आउथरे से तुम अप्लाई करता तो फॉर्मूला ले भी हेता था किंतु ये RHS पैटर्न ले ठीक इजीली कैलकुलेशन नहीं पारियो कहीं A minus B into A plus B है ना A square minus B square पड़ला एडी A square minus B square पकड़ले एडी आउथरे मल्टीपल एंगल फॉर्मूला पकड़ले cos square 1 plus cos 2A by 2 cos square B 1 plus cos 2B by 2 it apply. So this is easy to prove. Okay. Next we do another problem. To express 4 cos A into cos B into cos C as the sum of 4 cosine. So here we express as the sum of 4 cosine. Means here 4 cos A into cos B into cos C means the product of cos 3 cos. But we have to express sum of 4 cosine. तो ये कौन अच्छी 3टा cos और product अच्छी आम ताको चार्टा कॉस सम रे एक्सप्रेस करिया पड़ियो बाय हेल्प ऑफ यूजिंग फार्मूला ना नहीं। अच्छा प्रूफ तो 4 cos A into cos B into cos C। तो 4 cos A into cos B into cos C means you have to write 2 into 2 cos A into cos B into cos C। Okay, now use the formula 2 cos A into cos B, 2 cos A into cos B, so this is equal to 2 into 2 cos A cos B means what? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B into cos C whole into cos C। Okay, then again multiply this one, so 2 cos A plus B into cos C plus 2 cos A plus B, sorry 2 cos A minus B into cos C। Now we multiply cos C in first term and we multiply cos C in a second term, then you use again the formula 2 cos A cos B। तुम ये कौन करियो आउ तर फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करो 2 cos A cos B रो, तो दिस द cos A plus B, तो cos A plus B plus cos A minus B plus cos A minus B माने कौन हम A plus B minus C, एट अदर फॉर्मूला पको, so this is equal to 2 cos A cos B means cos A plus B, here A is equal to A minus B and B is equal to C, so this is equal to A minus B plus C cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, A minus B means A minus B minus C। Okay, so this is equal to cos A plus B plus C plus cos A plus B plus minus C, here cos A minus B plus C plus cos A minus B minus C, which is sum of 4 cosines, which is sum of 4 cosine, 4 cosine। Okay, so product of 3 cosine, product of 3 cos is the sum of 4 cosine। तेन 3टा cos रो प्रोडक्ट टा 4टा cos रो जोगफल रूपे आमे एक्सप्रेस कर पाले by help of using formula। Okay, so next we do another problem, that is 29। तो we do another problem 20। so prove that 4th power of cos pi by 8 plus 4th power of cos 3 pi by 8 plus 4th power of cos 5 pi by 8 plus 4th power of cos 7 pi by 8 is equal to 32। Okay, here cos 4th pi by 8 means we apply the multiple angle formula, that is the cos square theta by 2। you know cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, तो 4th अच्छे माने इटा हम कौन करिया cos square theta और स्क्वायर करिया ना नहीं। अच्छा, so here pi by 8 is there and 3 pi by 8 is there, 5 pi by 8, so first we express 5 pi by 8, so 5 pi by 8 means you have to write pi minus, so pi minus 3 pi by 8, so 5 pi by 8 is equal to pi minus 3 pi by 8, because if you taking LCM 8, so 8 pi minus 3 pi, this is equal to 5 pi by 8, and 7 pi by 8, so 7 pi by 8 means this is equal to pi minus pi by 8। Okay, because here 5 pi by 8 to express pi minus 3 pi by 8 and 7 pi by 8 is equal to pi minus pi by 8, so in LHS। Okay, तो कौन कला हमें देखो इट प्ले 5 pi by 8 को मु कौन करिया हमें pi minus 3 pi by 8 लिखिबा आउ 7 pi by 8 को pi minus pi by 8 लिखले जो चारटा एंगल अछि, सो एटे कोन हो दीटा एंगल रे कन्वर्ट हो, it is easy to apply the formula to calculate value। तो this is equal to cos 4th pi by 8 plus 4th power of cos 3 pi by 8 plus 4th power of 5 pi by 8 means we write pi minus 3 pi by 8 plus here 4th power of pi minus pi by 8। Okay, so this is equal to 4th power of cos pi by 8 plus 4th power of cos 3 pi by 8 and you know cos of pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, because pi minus theta lies in second quadrant, in cos second quadrant cos is negative, but here power is 4 means power is even. So power ta even means minus power of 4, this is equal to plus. So this is 4 power cos 3 pi by 8 of here also 4 power cos 7, this is the pi by 8. Okay, pi by 8 है ना. So this is equal to, this is the 2 times, this one is also 2 times. तो 2 times जो 4टा टर्म थिला हम 2टा टर्म में कन्वर्ट कर देले. सो एटा जो cos 4 बार पाई बाय 8 अछि कोन करिया हम एटा को cos स्क्वायर पाई बाय 8 रो स्क्वायर कर देबा प्लस दिस इज आल्सो cos स्क्वायर 3 पाई बाय 8 रो स्क्वायर कर देबे. यू नो cos स्क्वायर थीटा is equal to cos square theta means 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, then use the formula. So this is equal to 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta. So 2 into theta means 2 into pi by 8. So this is equal to pi by 4. So pi by 4 by 2. Now you write in this way. Cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. 2 into theta means pi by 8 by 2 rho square plus. Here also use the formula cos square theta. This is equal to 1 plus cos 2 into theta means 3 pi by 8 by 2 rho whole square. Are you understand? देखो ये जो 4टा एंगल थिला हमें ताको 2 एंगल ले कन्वर्ट करला पर तुम कोन करियो एटी ना मल्टीपल एंगल फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करियो. cos स्क्वायर थीटा रो 1 plus cos 2 थीटा by 2, sin स्क्वायर थीटा होची 1 minus cos 2 थीटा by 2. ओके, सो तो एटी कोन आसला 2 into 2 रा होल अछि तो 1 plus एटी कोन होला cos pi by 4 होला. तो cos pi by 4 माने कोन कहलो 1 by root 2 by 2 रो स्क्वायर होला. आर यू अंडरस्टैंड? देखो पहले 2 into pi by 8 अछि माने कोन pi by 4 होला. cos pi by 4 माने कोन 1 by root 2. तो 1 plus 1 by root 2 by 2 रो होल स्क्वायर होला प्लस कोन कले एटी 1 एटी कोन होला 3 pi by 4 होला. cos 3 pi by 4 means 135 degree. तो 135 degree means minus 1 by root 2. This is minus 1 by root 2 by 2 by 2. ना एटा मैं डायरेक्ट लिख दूची. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू minus 1 by root 2 by 2 रो whole square by 2. Okay. Now to make it simplify square, so this is equal to 2 into whole into eta kete asyo. Now 1 plus 1 by root 2 by 2 means this is the root 2 plus 1. This is equal to root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 by 2 root row square plus this one is root 2 minus 1 by 2 root row square. Okay, are you understand? कौन कली एटी ऐड कर देली root 2 plus 1 by root 2 by 2 अछि तो by 2 root 2 होला एटा root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 square. So this is equal to 2 into एटा केता आस्यो root 2 plus 1 रो square by 2 root 2 square means 2 रो square 4 into 2 8. Yes, so this is root 2 minus 1 रो square by 8. तो टेक इट एलसीएम 8 2 into एलसीएम आसियो 8 हैला. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू root 2 plus 1 रो स्क्वायर प्लस root 2 minus 1 रो स्क्वायर. तो यूज द फार्मूला 2 into root 2 plus 1 रो स्क्वायर मींस 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2. एटा 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2 by 8. तो plus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 cancel. Here 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 6. So this is 2 into 6 by 8. So 6 by 8 means this is the 2 into, okay. तो 2 into 4 है ला. अच्छा 2 into ये 2 4 जा. So this is the 6 by 4 and 6 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2. So answer is 3 by 2 and this is RHS pattern. So in that question, if we replace cos by sin, so what happen? This is equal to 4th power of sin pi by 8. Here 4th power of sin 3 pi by 8, 4th power of sin 5 pi by 8, and 4th power of sin 7 pi by 8. So here also you use in this process. First you have to write 5 pi by 8 is equal to pi minus 3 pi by 8. and 7 pi by 8 is equal to pi minus 3 pi by 8. So this is equal to here cos is equal to sin. जदि क्वेश्चन रे cos टा sin था बोले तुम एटा sin आसो तो sin आसले एट भी सेम फॉर्मूला पड़ो cos स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2 टा कोन हम 1 माइनस सॉरी sin स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2 टा कोन हम 1 माइनस cos sin स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस cos 2 थीटा तो एटा माइनस हो एटा माइनस हो एटा √2 माइनस 1 बाय 2 √2 स्क्वायर एटा कोन आसो दिस इज इक्वल टू √2 एटा भी sin आसो ना सो दिस इज इक्वल टू √2 प्लस 1 बाय 2 √2 स्क्वायर एमदी प्रोसेसर कले सेटा भी 3 बाय 2 आसीबो तनो एटी cos थाउ कि sin थाउ तमर आंसर टा सेम रहइबो ओके सो एटी कोन आसीबो sin स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2 मींस यू हैव टू राइट दिस फार्मूला 1 माइनस cos थीटा बाय 2 सेडी भी आसीबो 1 माइनस cos थीटा बाय 2 तापर से मल्टीपल एंगल फार्मूला वैल्यू ला पके कैलकुलेशन करियो ओके नेक्स्ट वी डू अनदर प्रॉब्लम so here if 2 cos theta is equal to x plus 1 by x then prove that 2 cos 3 theta equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube so how can you prove 2 cos 3 theta you know what is formula for cos 3 theta so cos 3 theta equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta so using this formula we prove this one okay proof here given that 2 cos theta equal to x plus 1 by x. We prove 2 cos 3 theta equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay. तो LHS पार्ट नेबा अपेक्षा RHS टा नले इजीली कैलकुलेशन हे पारियो तो हमें RHS टा नै होछि देखो कोन करिमु x cube plus 1 by x cube अछि you know x cube plus 1 by x cube means what this is x cube plus 1 by x whole cube. Here x and 1 by x both are reciprocal means you use the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube have a double formula. One is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b and other is a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. जो a plus b रा 1 होतबो से तमे a फॉर्मूला पकेबो a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b ओके जो केस रे a plus b रा जदी 1 हे उठलो बोले डायरेक्ट तमे ए फार्मूला पके देबो अदर फार्मूला पकेबो नाही जदी 1 हो न तो बोले अदर फार्मूला पड़ी तो रिमेंबर दिस वन सो दिस इज a या दिस इज द b a cube plus b cube a plus b whole cube ना नहीं अच्छा so this is equal to a plus b means x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x1 by x here x plus 1 by x okay so 81 होनी किंतु रेसिप्रोकल अछि ना हमें कैलकुलेशन प्रूफ करला इजी रहइबो so this is equal to here given that x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 cos theta okay देखो 1 होतल तो भलो कथा जदी 1 नोइ रेडी जे गिवन अछि x plus 1 by x अछि डायरेक्ट 2 cos theta अछि तो हमें एडी ए फार्मूला ही पकेबा अच्छा तो कौन लेटा दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 cos theta रो होल क्यूब माइनस ये x x कैंसिल सो 3 into x plus 1 by x means 2 cos theta so this is equal to 2 रो क्यूब this is equal to 8 cos cube theta minus 6 cos theta take it common 2 so this is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta and you know 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta so this is equal to 2 into cos 3 theta so this is equal to LHS this is equal to LHS next we do another problem that is 32 so here 32 prove that 1 by sin 10 degree minus √3 by cos 10 degree not square this is the degree cos 10 square not square this is the degree so √3 by cos 10 degree is equal to 4 so how to prove this one is 4 first you have to take the LHS part so LHS part 1 by sin 10 degree minus √3 by cos 10 degree okay so this is equal to take it LCM sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree here this is equal to root 3 cos 10 degree minus sorry, so this is equal to cos 10 degree only, cos 10 degree minus root 3 sin 10 degree, root 3 sin 10 degree, it cos 10 degree minus root 3 sin 10 degree अच्छी ना नहीं. So which is of the form the trigonometrical function a cos x plus b sin x. You know a sin x plus b cos x is equal to r into sin of x plus theta. जो ये माइनस थी माने कौन हम r into sin of x minus theta. तो ये हमें माइनस टी कॉमन नहीं जाए, माइनस टी कॉमन लेना कौन हो ना दिस द root 3 sin 10 degree minus cos 10 degree, okay, by sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. मैं कौन कहली a sin x plus b cos x, the trigonometrical function a sin x plus b cos x is equal to r into sin of x plus theta. You know r into sin of x plus theta, where r is equal to what? So r is equal to root of a square plus b square and theta is equal to tan inverse b by a. So what is a? A is the coefficient of sin x and b is the coefficient of cos x. So it is sin ro coefficient root 3 अच्छी, और cos रो coefficient होची -1 अच्छी. So here a is equal to root 3, b is equal to -1. That means r is equal to root of a square plus b square. So this is equal to 2 and theta is equal to tan inverse b by a. Tan inverse b by a. So b is equal to what? So b is equal to -1. b is equal to -1 and a is equal to root 3. So b by a means -1 by root 3. So this is equal to tan inverse of -1 by root 3. You know tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, like that. This is equal to minus tan inverse 1 by root 3. So minus tan inverse 1 by root 3 is an angle whose tan value is 1 by root 3. Remember there is a inverse trigonometric function also, but this inverse trigonometric function in the second year course तेणु सब इनवर्स गोटे एंगल ढाब से एंगल कौन हम हाउ टू नो tan inverse 1 by root 3 means for which value of theta tan for which value of theta whereas tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan को value ला 1 by root 3 हो, automatically you say this is equal to 30 degree because tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So clearly it also 30 degree आसियो, तो 30 degree means अगर माइनस अच्छे सो दिस इज इक्वल टू -30 डिग्री. तेणु a sin x प्लस b cos x रो डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला ना r इंटू साइन ऑफ x प्लस थीटा. सो r होची 2, तो 2 इंटू साइन ऑफ x प्लस थीटा. तो x प्लस थीटा मीन्स दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट -30 डिग्री. ओके, तो व्हाट हैपन, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू you can write directly in this way. So minus this is equal to minus तो root 3 sin x minus cos 10 degree. This is of the form a sin x plus b cos x. So this is equal to r into sin of x plus theta, x plus theta, okay, by sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. So this is equal to minus r, r means 2, here sin x, here x means what? 10 degree because a sin x, so x means 10 degree. So this is equal to 10 degree plus theta, theta means what? -30 degree, theta means -30 degree. So this is equal to sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. Are you understand? बुझीपार ना, जदि बुझीपार माने तुम यहाँ डायरेक्ट साइन कस कन्वर्ट करदेव. ये रूट 3 अच्छी 1 अच्छी फास्ट रूट 3 रो स्क्वायर प्लस 1 आरटा बाहर करदेव. आरटा बाहर कलापर जी आसो से तुम मल्टीप्लाई कर डिवाइड करदेव. डिवाइड कलापर यहाँ साइन कन्वर्ट कलब कस कन्वर्ट कलब और यू कैन अप्लाई इन डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला. ओके, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू -2 इंटू साइन ऑफ 10 -30. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू -20 डिग्री बाई sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. Okay, so this is equal to sin of minus theta means minus sin theta, so minus minus plus. So this is equal to sin 20 degree by cos 10 degree into sin 10 degree. Then you multiply 2 sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree into 2 एबे एडी कोन कला में 2 मल्टीप्लाई करे 2 डिवाइड कले so this is equal to 2 into sin 20 into 2 means 4 sin 20 degree 2 sin into cos a means sin 2a so this is that sin 20 sin 20 cancel so this is equal to 4 okay so this one is important a sin x plus b cos x is equal to r into sin of x plus theta आपको हमें सिंगल ट्रांसफर कर देले r रोज वैल्यू होची √2 थीटा होची -30 डिग्री यू सब्स्टिट्यूट डायरेक्टली r into sin of x plus theta एटा माइनस तो अच्छी आगुरु 2 sin of x means ये 10 डिग्री थीटा means -30 तो 10 minus 30 is -20 डिग्री तो sin of -20 this is equal to minus sin 20 minus a minus plus ala here denominator sin 10 into cos 10 then what we do again multiply 2 in numerator and denominator so the denominator part is sin 20 because 2 sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree equal to sin 2a okay so in the next class we do another problem so you can do the other problem okay so in the study material you can do the remaining problem next we do in next class another problem thank you